In a previous video, I mentioned that I was going to share what books are must-read if you want to be considered one of the world's best card magicians, if you want to work your way up to the kind of stuff I do. These are must-read books. The first one is something called Confident Deceptions. It's a really, truly amazing book. If you want a book that's got just nothing but non-stop, high-octane, great card magic that's just impossible for people to figure out, I really recommend this book. If you want a book that emphasizes like a strong character and logical routines, things that make sense, gambling routines, things that just make you look like a badass with a deck of cards, you can't go wrong with Confident Deceptions by Jason Ladanye. Really some high-quality stuff in here. Blackjack, poker, all that kind of stuff. Really amazing. There's a trick in here where you can deal out every single poker hand in the order of ranks. Another great book, if you really want visuals, good visuals, is this one here called Confident Deceptions by Jason Ladanye. Some people complain that it's difficult to learn from a book, but we did these high-res photos in here, just packed with photos, so you can really learn how a lot of these tricks work very easily by referencing the text along with these amazing photos. And if you want something that's just really well written, you can't go wrong with Confident Deceptions by Jason Ladanye. Just clarity's sake. Some magic books are difficult to read, but if you really want to just fast track your way to being one of the world's best card manipulators, you can't go wrong with any of these recommendations. All right, check them out.